One green pod cleared my breathing instantly. 8 months ago, chronic cough and thick mucus made every breath a struggle. Years of pollution exposure left my lungs feeling heavy and congested constantly. Inhalers provided temporary relief, but symptoms returned within hours. Then my Ayurvedic practitioner handed me tiny green pods that changed my respiratory health completely. What she taught me about cardamom's lung-healing properties amazed every assumption I had about natural medicine. The Journal of Ethnopharmacology published remarkable research on cardamom's respiratory benefits. Studies showed that cardamom's volatile oils reduce lung inflammation by 68% within 2 hours of consumption. The compounds cineol and terpenin act as natural bronchodilators, opening airways effectively. But here's the incredible mechanism behind cardamom's rapid respiratory relief. The essential oils in cardamom pods contain antimicrobial compounds that eliminate bacteria causing mucus production. Simultaneously, these oils thin existing mucus, making expectoration easier and more complete. My personal transformation started with chewing one cardamom pod after breakfast daily. Within 3 days, my morning cough decreased noticeably. After 2 weeks, thick mucus cleared almost completely. Breathing became effortless for the first time in years. Cardamom contains powerful compounds called monoterpenes that specifically target respiratory inflammation. These molecules cross lung tissue barriers easily, delivering anti-inflammatory effects directly to affected areas. Traditional medicine systems have used cardamom for respiratory issues for over 2,000 years. Dr. Ram Singh, a pulmonologist specializing in natural therapies, documented cardamom's effectiveness in chronic respiratory conditions. His clinical observations showed significant improvement in lung function tests after consistent cardamom consumption for 1 month. Preparation method affects therapeutic potency dramatically in my experience. Crush cardamom pods slightly before chewing to release essential oils. Avoid pre-ground cardamom as volatile compounds evaporate quickly after processing. Fresh pods provide maximum respiratory benefits consistently. Timing your consumption optimizes lung clearing effects throughout the day. Morning consumption helps clear overnight mucus accumulation effectively. Chewing pods after meals prevents post-meal respiratory discomfort. Consistency matters more than specific timing for long-term benefits. Start with half pod if you're sensitive to strong flavors. Gradually increase to 1 full pod over several days. Some people experience mild throat warming initially. This indicates active compounds working on respiratory tissues naturally. Quality varies significantly between cardamom sources, unfortunately. Choose organic green cardamom pods with intact outer shells. Avoid bleached white cardamom as processing removes beneficial compounds. Fresh pods should feel plump and release strong aroma when crushed. Watch for these respiratory improvements during your healing journey. Reduced morning congestion often occurs within the first week. Easier expectoration of mucus becomes noticeable quickly. Breathing depth and ease improve progressively over time. The traditional medicine systems of India and Middle East extensively document cardamom's respiratory benefits. Ayurveda classifies cardamom as warming and drying, perfect for reducing excess mucus. Chinese medicine uses cardamom to transform phlegm and open chest congestion. My morning routine now includes mindful cardamom chewing while doing breathing exercises. This combination amplifies both practices' benefits significantly. The ritual creates calm focus while supporting respiratory health naturally. Volatile oils in cardamom provide antimicrobial protection against respiratory infections. Regular consumption may reduce frequency and severity of colds and bronchitis. The oils create hostile environment for harmful bacteria in respiratory tract. Combine cardamom with steam inhalation for enhanced mucus clearing effects. Add crushed pods to hot water and inhale vapors gently. This delivers essential oils directly to lung tissue for immediate relief. Track your progress using simple breathing assessments and mucus observations. Note ease of breathing upon waking each morning. Monitor mucus color and consistency changes over time. These indicators show treatment effectiveness clearly. Certain respiratory medications may interact with cardamom's bronchodilating effects. Asthma inhalers might require dosage adjustments as breathing improves naturally. Chronic lung disease patients need medical supervision with significant dietary additions. People with gastroesophageal reflux should monitor symptoms when chewing cardamom regularly. The warming properties may increase acid production in sensitive individuals.